And today we are going to start classification of amino acids. Amino acids. Amino acid, as their structure indicates, there is an amino group which is basic, and a amino group and a carboxylic group, acidic, side chain, and a hydrogen. It's an amino acid structure. You have to memorize the structure of an amino acid. Now, introduction. Amino acids are those compounds, they are containing two functional groups. Amino acids are those compounds containing two functional groups, amino and carboxyl. The amino group is basic, while the carboxyl group is acidic in nature. General structure of an amino acid. The amino acids are termed as alpha amino acids if both the carboxyl and amino group are attached to the same carbon atom. The alpha carbon atom binds to a side chain represented by R, which is different for each of the 20 amino acids, which gives the different amino acids different characteristics are due to side chain. The amino acids mostly exist in the ionized form in the biological system. The first amino acid which was discovered is asparagine in 1806. First amino acid which was discovered is asparagine in 1806. Threonine was the last amino acid to be found in the year 1938. Now, classification of amino acids. Nutritional classification of amino acids. Classification of amino acids on the basis of polarity. Amino acid classification based on their metabolic fate. Amino acid classification based on the structure. Furthermore, two main groups of amino acid. Now, nutrition on the basis of nutritional classification of amino acids, they are either essential or non-essential. Essential means they must be taken in the diet. They are essential to take in the diet. Furthermore, they cannot be synthesized by the body. They are essential in our diet. They are supplied through the diet. It is called essential amino acids. They cannot be synthesized by the body. 10 amino acids comes under this group. Arginine, valine, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan. They fall in the category of essential amino acids. On the dietary, on the basis of nutritional classification of amino acids, they are classified into essential, means they are not synthesized in our body. They should be supplied in the diet. 10 amino acids fall in this category. Now, non-essential amino acids are those amino acids the body can synthesize about. A slide is missed. The body can synthesize about 10 essential amino acids to meet the biological needs, hence they need not to be consumed in the diet. They need not to be consumed in the diet. They are synthesized by our body. They include glycine, alanine, serine, cysteine, aspartate, asparagine, Now, classification of amino acids based on polarity. Second classification is classification of amino acids based on polarity. Non-polar amino acid with aliphatic R group. Non-polar amino acid with aromatic R group. Then polar amino acids with no charge on R group or side chain with no charge. Polar amino acid with negative side chain or R group. Polar amino acid with positive R group. Now, this is a classification of amino acids based on polarity. First of all, non-polar amino acids with aliphatic side chain. Those amino acids are non-polar and also referred to as hydrophobic water hating. They have no charge on the side chain or R group. The amino acids included in this group are glycine, alanine, leucine, isoleucine, valine, and methionine. These are amino acids which have hydrophobic or water hating side chain, or these are non-polar amino acids. The which having aliphatic side chain. Non-polar amino acids with aromatic group. Their aromatic side chain are relatively non-polar hydrophobic. All can participate in hydrophobic interactions. The amino acids included in this group are phenylalanine, tryptophan, and tyrosine. They have aromatic side chain. Both are non-polar amino acid with aliphatic side chain and with aromatic. Aromatic include phenylalanine, tryptophan, and tyrosine. With aliphatic side chain, they are glycine, alanine, leucine, isoleucine, valine, and methionine. Both are non-polar. Now, polar amino acids with no charge on R group. They are soluble in water, are more hydrophilic. They possess groups such as hydroxyl. They are polar. They possess the groups hydroxyl, glycine is non-polar. Polar amino acids carry no charge on R group and are soluble in water, are more hydrophilic. They possess the groups such as hydroxyl, sulfhydryl, and amide groups. They participate in hydrogen bonding of protein structure. The amino acids in this group are proline, serine, threonine, cysteine, glutamine, and asparagine. Now, polar amino acids with negative R group, the dicarboxylic monoacids, aspartic acids, and glutamic acid are included in this group. They are polar with negative R group. Aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Polar amino acids which are hydrophilic with positive R groups. They carry positive charge on R group and are dibasic monocarboxylic acids. They are highly basic in nature. 3 amino acids, lysine, arginine, and histidine are included in this group. Lysine, arginine, and histidine. Polar hydrophilic with positive charge. They will be dibasic monocarboxylic acids. Lysine, arginine, histidine. Now I'm revising again. Classification of amino acids on the basis of nutritional. They are divided into essential, non-essential. Then classification on the basis of polarity. Essential amino acids. On the basis of polarity, non-polar with aliphatic and aromatic side chains. Polar with no charge, polar with negative charge, polar with positive charge. Now classification on their metabolic based on their metabolic fate: glycogenic, ketogenic, glycogenic and ketogenic. Glycogenic amino acids are those amino acids which serve as precursor for the formation of glucose and glycogen. The amino acids included in this group are alanine, aspartate, glycine, methionine. Ketogenic amino acids, fat can be synthesized from these amino acids. Two amino acids, leucine and lysine, are exclusively ketogenic. Leucine, lysine, both are ketogenic. Alanine, aspartate, glycine, methionine are glycogenic, which are precursors of glucose and glycogen. Phenylalanine, tryptophan, tyrosine are precursors for synthesis of glucose as well as fat. So they are both glycogenic and ketogenic. Isoleucine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, tyrosine. Classification, amino acid classification based on their metabolic fate: glycogenic, alanine, aspartate, glycine, methionine, precursors of glucose and glycogen. Ketogenic, which give rise fat, leucine, lysine. Isoleucine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, tyrosine are precursors of synthesis of glucose as well as fat. Now on their structure are on the basis of side chain. Amino acids with aliphatic side chains. Hydroxyl group containing amino acids. Sulfur containing amino acids. Acidic amino acids and their amides. Basic amino acids. Aromatic amino acids and amino acids. Essential amino acids are those amino acids which are not synthesized in our body, should be taken in our diet. Where non-essential amino acids, they are synthesized in our body, they should not be taken in the diet. Metabolic fat means either amino acids are precursors of glucose. You have to read them in metabolism. Either these amino acids will give rise glucose or glycogen. So this is their metabolic fat. Glucogenic will give rise, these are precursors of glucose or glycogen. Ketogenic are precursors of fat. This is metabolic fat. There are two main groups of amino acids. They are standard amino acids and non-standard amino acids. Standard amino acids are building blocks of protein. The 20 standard amino acids also takes part in formation of protein structure. These are amino acids are those standard amino acids are those amino acids which take part in the formation of protein structure. They are arginine, valine, histidine, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, glycine, alanine, serine, cysteine, aspartate, asparagine, glutamate, glutamine, tyrosine, and proline. They take part in the formation of protein structure. Non-standard amino acids are those amino acids in addition to 20 standard amino acids, protein may contain non-standard residues created by modification of standard residues already incorporated into a polypeptide chain, like hydroxyproline, hydroxylysine, hydroxyproline derivative of proline, hydroxylysine derivative of lysine. These are non-standard amino acids. Now question is identify the amino acids containing non-polar aliphatic R group. Non-polar aliphatic. Identify the amino acids containing non-polar aliphatic R groups. Non-polar aliphatic R group. Phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan, glycine, alanine, leucine, Lysine, arginine, histidine, serine, threonine, cysteine. Non-polar aliphatic R group. Amino acids having non-polar aliphatic R groups. Options are phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan. Option A. Option B, glycine, alanine, leucine. Option C, lysine, arginine, histidine. Option D, serine, threonine, cysteine. Answer is glycine, alanine, leucine. B. Which among the following is a non-essential amino acid? Serine, threonine, lysine, histidine. Non-essential amino acid. Non-essential amino acid. Serine, threonine, lysine, histidine. Which among the following is a non-essential amino acid? Serine. Serine is true answer. The two amino acids having R groups with a negative net charge at pH 7.0. R group with negative charge. Aspartate glutamate, arginine, histidine, two amino acids having negative charge. Aspartate glutamate, arginine, histidine, cysteine, methionine, proline, valine. Answer is A. Serine. Which of the following is an essential amino acid? Cysteine, asparagine, glutamine, phenylalanine is an essential amino acid. Essential. Essential. They are not synthesized in our body. They should be taken in our diet. Cysteine, asparagine, glutamine, phenylalanine. True answer is phenylalanine. Is essential amino acid. Question is, which among the following is both glucogenic and ketogenic? Glucogenic and ketogenic. Isoleucine, leucine, lysine, isoleucine produces both glucose and ketone bodies as an energy source. Isoleucine. Glycine is a non-polar amino acid. It is the simplest of the 20 natural amino acids. Its side chain is a hydrogen atom. It's a non-polar amino acid. नहीं, ये पोलर अनचार्ज ग्रुप में नहीं आएंगे. Amino acid classification is over here. From tomorrow we will deal some practicals on protein.